I'm very angry in my spirit right now. It means I am very angry in my spirit. Someone asked me why. This is because I don't know what they place over this food that makes it look so expensive in occasions. So that was how I went for a wedding yesterday. Wedding on a Thursday that I left my business to go for a wedding on a very good Thursday. It was time for item 7, which was serving time. Like everybody was very happy waiting for the food to be served. Normally, Nigerian parties, it won't be more than jollof rice and fried rice or something else added to it, like native soup of the bride and the group or whatever. Behold, we saw breadfruit okwa, which is what I'm making today. And my own will be special delicacy because I'll be using more dry fish, scent leaf, and even chopped tomatoes and pepper. Of which their own. I don't even know if all these were all inside. So, expectedly, people were served their food, which was jollof rice and fried rice with drinks. All of a sudden, breadfruit started flying around. Like, they will look at someone's face and give breadfruit. I said, what is all this? Now jollof rice is no longer the queen but breadfruit. I got angry inside me. I said, why won't I make this thing and show my friends on YouTube and other platforms? Like, what's all that? So I made my own special delicacy of okwa. This okwa tastes so good and so nice, especially when it's simply made. Okwa doesn't really require so much spices and ingredients. But here I made the Odogu okwa of all okwas. If you are here to eat this okwa with me, you agree with me that it's giving what it's supposed to give, 10 over 10 minus nothing. Just as you can see, I fried all my tomato mix and onions in my red oil and vegetable oil. Vegetable oil gives this a very nice vibe. I allowed it to fry for a few minutes and then went in with my cow skin, momo. Remember that this doesn't need to be too salty as okwa is a simple food. Mix all of this together and allow the spices to really infuse into the momo very well. Cover and allow it to cook for some minutes before bringing it down. So I was telling you, I was asking for the okwa in the venue. No one answered me. I said, oh Chimo, now today I know say I don't get money for this country. That was why I made this okwa so my friends can see. And next time someone wants to do shakara with okwa for you, enter your kitchen, enter market and get something done. This is scent leaf. I added some scent leaf to make this so delicious. So watching up to this point and you've not followed me, subscribed or liked my channel, please don't forget to do so, okay? So this is the star okwa we are talking about. Let me tell you how I cook this okwa as fast as the rice. Get your okwa, wash it thoroughly, knowing the fact that some can have stones. After washing it, parboil it like you are parboiling rice. Take off the water and then cook it again like rice. If you have ungo water, please add, but if you don't, you can add little potash water. After your breadfruit has boiled for like 5 to 10 minutes, you can go in with the potash water. That way it will get cooked so fast. So that was how I made this one and it got done so fast. Yeah, I mixed all of these ingredients into it and allowed it to cook for some minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, this is what it will be looking like. Remember, no much oil is usually needed for this okwa. So there, if you're watching up to this point again, please type okwa in the comment section for me. And what do you call it in your language? In Igbo land, we call it okwa. English calls it breadfruit. It's an expensive dish for big men. That's how we refer it in Igbo land. So mix all of this together and then serve. Guys, our okwa is practically ready at this point. Test and adjust for salt or seasoning if need be. Then go ahead and serve. You can serve this plain like this and drink with the water, or you can add your sauce if you make everyone I served this enjoyed this so much, and myself too, I did. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, follow and share, okay? Until I come your way next time, don't forget to eat healthy, take care of your body, because that's the only place you have to live in. And also don't forget that I love you right back. Mwah.
Cooking's fun, come take a seat. Welcome to Jennstastytreat. Sweet or savory